Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to yet another video on this YouTube channel. Guys, if you're watching for the first time, my name is Dixon. I've just finished filming the video of Janta but also Tigrine, so I'm going to pin it in the comment section below. If you see the first comment, just click that link, then you watch that video and catch up. So guys, I've not been fair in this channel. I've been unfair, honestly, because ever since we started the talk show, I've just been talking about male artists only. I never had time to talk about a female artist. So at some point or the other, I feel like I've not been balancing this whole thing. So in our today's video, we just want to talk about Wendy Harawa. And before we get into the video, I just want to give a big shout out to Wendy Harawa for all the good things that we are doing out there. We really appreciate you. We really celebrate you. Thank you. And thank you so much. So guys, just a brief description about Wendy Harawa. She used to be a secular artist, as much as I know. Of course, I don't know much about her. I just had to do a research just recently. She used to be a secular artist, and then she decided to change and start singing gospel songs, of which, yeah, it's something that we have to celebrate. Who doesn't want to praise God? Almost everyone wants to praise God. Yeah, so thank you so much, Wendy, for the decision that you had to make, but also for all the good things that you are doing in music industry, but also helping people out there. Yeah, so guys, one of the things that made me to pick out Wendy is that she had to break it into music industry, whereby she had to collaborate with international artists. For, I think, as much as I know for now, I think for this year, she has collaborated with three African international artists, of which is something that we just have to celebrate. And on top of that, I think I saw recently a post which was saying that one of her recent projects ranked, I think on position 2 in Tanzanian music chart, something like that, music gospel chart, something like that. Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much, Wendy. Yeah, so I just wanna show you, talk some of the songs that is released this year, and also some of the artists that she has collaborated with. Yeah, so I think it was on 4th May this year when she had released a song titled Akuona, and she featured what do we call Garden Angel. Yeah, Garden Angel. It was also a hit song. A lot has happened out of this song, and she has traveled. Yeah, something that we just have to celebrate her. On 5th June also, she released another song that she featured Maranatha. The title of the song is called Kuhambelela. Of course, I don't know what Kuhambelela means, but you guys can tell me in the comment section below. If when you are watching, please let us know what Kuhambelela means. Otherwise, I didn't have time to search the meaning of that word. And also last month on 29 June, she also released another song that she featured another artist called Levson, and the title of the song is called Zikomo. Yeah, this is the song that had to hit up on position 2 in gospel chart in Tanzania. Yeah, so guys, that is all I had. But before we close the video, Wendy has also nominated for Maranatha Awards in United States of America. So I'm going to leave the link to where you can vote in the description section below. Guys, I have to be honest, this channel, this talk show, it's about positivity, it's about love, it's about standing for each other. So if Wendy wins, it means all Malawians will win. If she's going to lose, it means all Malawians will lose. Who doesn't want to win? Almost everyone wants to win. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description section below. Go ahead and help Wendy to win, guys. Together we're going to take Malawi to the world. Otherwise, guys, thank you for being there to watch the video. Don't forget to give it a like. If you didn't like, of course, hit the dislike button. I'm going to appreciate. And if you learned something, please let me know in the comment section below. If I made an error somewhere, somehow, please leave also in the comment section below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. And as always, cheers and God bless.